Camera drones like the DJI Mavic might be able to fly fast, but they are loaded with sensors and GPS to keep them stable in the air, avoid crashes and allow them to take off and land on their own or automatically return to you if you get into a sticky situation. You can even find some toy models with these capabilities. You'll find no such features on most racing drones because they are built for speed and agility, so you're mainly flying manually. That's fun if you know what you're doing, but it sucks for learning. Then you've got the costs. Whether you go with a ready-to-fly, RTF, model or have the soldering skills to DIY one, you're talking hundreds of dollars. Add on the cost of a controller, a transmitter, and FPV goggles for flying by first-person view and you can go broke before your first flight, and inevitable crash. All of this is to say Fat Shark, the leading maker of FPV goggles for drone racing, has put together a killer kit with everything you need to learn to fly a racing drone without the headaches, frustration or costs I just mentioned. Plus, it gives you room to upgrade. For $250, approximately $325 or 185 pounds, you get an RTF mini racing quad, controller and 5.8 GHz Fat Shark FPV goggles. Everything is set up to work together out of the box, but it's all been simplified. The controller, for example, is down to essentials with just two switches, one for arming the motors, the other for switching between flight modes. There's still no GPS, you'll actually have to learn how to keep this thing in the air, but there are beginner, intermediate and pro modes that give you more piloting control as your skills improve. Beginner gives you some altitude hold and leveling assistance, while flipping to pro removes all the limits.